Hello everybody, I'm Seth Weissman and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. Today we are going to talk about a unique problem that we're having with the limited amount of inventory available on the market. And specifically, we are seeing buyer agents often being asked by more than one buyer client to see the same house. And the question that it obviously raises is, can a realtor represent multiple buyers wanting to preview and maybe buy the same exact house? And what kinds of disclosures do you need to make? Well, first of all, a realtor is allowed to show multiple buyer clients the same property. And interestingly, this possibility was actually contemplated in Beretta, and Beretta specifically provides as follows. It says, a broker engaged by a buyer does not breach any duty or obligation by showing properties in which the buyer is interested to other prospective buyers. So, Beretta specifically allows you to represent more than one buyer interested in the same property. But it may require you to make a disclosure to all parties that you are representing other buyers who are interested in that property. And to avoid any issues, my recommendation is that you go ahead and tell everyone something to the effect of, I just want you to know that I am working with other buyers, and one or more of those buyers is also interested in the property. Now, if I was a prospective buyer, that might make me a little nervous. And I think to calm those buyers, what I would then say is, but here's what I will make sure I do. Anything you tell me about how much you want to offer, I will not reveal it to any other prospective buyer. I will treat each buyer completely separately and not reveal any confidences that you may tell to me. And for most buyers, that's probably going to be okay. The one thing you probably can't do, though, is if a buyer says, how much should I offer or do I need to offer to get this property? In all likelihood, you're going to have to say to everyone, gosh, I'm working with multiple buyers. I can't really give you a number. You're just going to have to make an offer as whatever you think best to be the winning bidder here. And of course, you may on occasion have a buyer who says, I'm just not comfortable with this. And in that situation, probably what you should do is offer to have another agent in your office represent that buyer. And you can limit that representation to just the one house where there are multiple buyers you are working with who are interested in the property. But to close out this little episode of Safe Real Estate, you are allowed to represent multiple buyers, but you should make disclosure to everyone to avoid any misunderstandings from any of the buyers as to what your role is. I hope this episode of Safe Real Estate has been beneficial. As always, it's great to see everybody. Please continue to tune in. Bye now.